Let's talk about the ed ending "the." When you listen to these words, move, play, buzz, there's something happening when you say the letter V, move, v, v. You should be able to feel in your vocal cords there is a vibration. Move, v, v. You can put your hand here to feel your vocal cords, or if you cover your ears, you should be able to hear a sound like the buzz of a bee. Buzz, z, z, z. Move, v, v. You can hear that sound. The buzz sound is the sound that the mosquitoes and bees make, but there is vibration. Move, moved. Call, called. You have to be careful though. Sometimes the S sounds like Z. For example, if someone asks you, will you marry me? Then we say the person proposed to you. Propose. The S sounds like Z, so proposed. Also, the verb close. Closed. He closed the door. So the D sound is how you pronounce that for verbs that end with a vibration in the sound.